Can something be just true or false? In JavaScript, yes. And it's way more powerful than it sounds. Hello everyone! Today we are diving into the tiny but mighty Boolean, a data type that powers decisions, checks, toggles, and so much more. Let's break it down, nice and easy. What are Booleans? A Boolean is a data type that can only be one of two values, true or false. And that's it. Just two options, like light switch, on or off. Booleans are perfect for representing yes/no or on/off situations in your code. Where you might use Booleans. Let's say you want to keep track of whether a user is logged in. So here we declare a variable is logged in and set it to true. This is not a string, this is a Boolean value. Or whether a button has been clicked. So another variable, let button clicked, and because it hasn't been clicked yet, we will set it to false. We are not using any conditions yet, we are just storing the state, and it's already super useful. Like any other data type, you can always change the value of a Boolean. So here, first, I'll comment out these lines, and then imagine that you're building a game and you want to store the status, whether the player or the user is currently playing or not. So we can declare a variable is playing, for example, and we set it to true. And once they click on pause, for example, pause button or something, we can update this variable and set it to false. So like this variable, and also here once it's set to false. Okay, I'll save this file, and here on the console tab you see initially it's true and then it's set to false. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but what do I do with it? Well, that's coming up. In the upcoming videos, we'll cover two key concepts in JavaScript. First, truthy and falsy values. And second, build actual logic with if statements. Checking conditions, making decisions, and writing code that responds to what's true or false. And yes, that's when the fun really begins. Alright, quick challenge. Can you think of two things in real life that could be represented as Booleans? Think yes, no, on, off, open, closed, and drop your answers in the comments. So to sum it up, a Boolean is either true or false. It helps us represent simple yes-no states. You'll use Booleans all the time, in logic, toggles, UI states, and more. And soon, we'll use them in conditions to make our code smarter. If you enjoyed this quick intro, give it a thumbs up, and remember that true friends always hit subscribe. Keep coding and stay awesome, friends.